About 75% of our business is overseas export business. So by definition, exporting and successful overseas business is critical for the success of the company. So we would have German speakers in sales roles, for example, in the market. We'd have German sales people as native speakers, and with technical support, engineering capability there as well. And then also within our headquarters, which is in Ireland, which would have most of our group functions, we'd have some German speakers there where required. So for example, in roles like sales support, technical support, we'd have German speakers, people with good language abilities in those type of roles. One of the challenges we have is that as a company operating in this green tech or clean tech area, it's a new sector. So not only do you have the language challenge, but you also have the technology challenge as well of a new sector where you're looking for people with those skills plus the language skills. So it's an ongoing challenge for the company to hire those people. As we've grown through the boom years and more recently the bust years, it's probably gone full circle in that we became less dependent on Germany, or we would have seen that maybe the language skills or those ties weren't quite as important, whereas now, once again, we're in that situation where the business and political ties with Germany are becoming more and more strong. Language necessity, being able to communicate in German, is all the more required now more than ever before. So there's a great future and a great requirement for people to be able to understand, use the language in the years ahead. We would be challenged with finding both language skills and engineering skills in that area. So certainly as the business grows, we're looking for more and more people. It can be challenging for us at times. There's management quite often by consensus, very traditional type of companies, and learning the language and learning about the culture gives you great insight into that when you're doing business and dealing with these people, you understand much more where they're coming from and how they operate, and ultimately leads to a more successful long-term engagement with them. Areas like sales, technical support, these are critical areas where we'd have German as a requirement, both on the ground in the market and within our HQ amongst the staff.